In this video, we'll show you how to easily move your contacts from an iPhone to a Samsung Galaxy phone. So to do this, first open the settings app. Now tap on your Apple ID at the top. Now here go to iCloud. Now here you will need to select this save to iCloud option. Now here make sure you have enabled this toggle next to contacts. If you haven't, make sure to enable it. Once you have done this, move to your Samsung Galaxy phone. Here you will need to search for the Smart Switch app. If you don't find it, you can download it from the Play Store or the Galaxy Store. Now here select receive on this phone and then select iPhone or iPad. Now select get data from iCloud option at the bottom. Now here you will need to sign in using the same Apple ID that you used on your iPhone. Now you will need to enter the verification code that you have received on your trusted device, which is your iPhone. Once you are done with the sign-in process, your Samsung phone will search for the iCloud data that you can restore. Now as you can see, I am getting all these options, but since I only want contacts, I'll select contacts and then hit transfer. So this will transfer all the contacts to my Samsung Galaxy phone. Simply select this keep screen on so that the transfer is not interrupted. So as you can see, all the contacts are now transferred. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.